Hello, this is Gregory Joseph here. Hey, it's MAINE'S Food Reviews coming once again from the power of YouTube. So guys, I'm excited for this one. This is a family size Kellogg's Apple Jacks Nickelodeon slime. I got this at Big Lots. It was only $3.49, guys. What a deal.
Kellogg's.
So it turns you milk green.
Yep.
So keep out or be slime.
Yep.
This is 9 servings per container. Can you turn that off, please?
Oh, shoot. Yeah.
9 servings per container. Serving size 1 1/3 cup. Calories with milk 210. Total fat 1.5. Saturated fat 1. Trans fat 0. Polyester fat 0. Monosodium fat 0. Cholesterol 5. Sodium 290. Carbs 42. Dietary fiber 3.
Wow, more than the...
Yeah, total sugars 23, includes 13 added sugars and 8 grams of protein.
The drum roll.
Oh, and we did hit our 1,000 mark yesterday, 1,001 mark yesterday.
Oh yeah, the drum roll. Yay!
But within an hour, it dropped to 993.
Yeah, it'll get up there, guys. It takes time.
I thought that was kind of cool. Well,
yeah.
Setting.
So this is going to be cool, I think, guys. I think we're going to be seeing 1,000, and that's what.
We got a little taste of it last
Yeah,
night.
right. We got a little taste of it, at least. And watch time hours are almost up there, guys. Keep up the good work.
Yeah, another 400 watch time hours, and we start getting paid.
Yeah, yeah. If he gets paid, he will be putting more things into the channel. We might even once he gets his license, we might do more outer area, Waterville areas if he ever gets his license. You know, right, Greg? Yeah. This is a green apple. A Grammy Smith. It's all right. It don't have cinnamon in it, does it, though? No. I'm used to the original. No.
No cinnamon. No cinnamon.
No cinnamon? Ah. The original has cinnamon, guys, so that's things. It's pretty good in its own right, but I'm not gonna give it a 10. That would be way too much for this. I'm gonna do a 7 on this. I'm gonna do 7, and I don't think it's terrible either. I think it's awesome. It's average cereal. I mean, at least a little bit above. So, and it turns your milk if you want something. Like, looks like slime. It turns your milk into like a slime color. It's pretty cool, ain't it, Greg? Look at that. A little slimy.
Oh,
yeah.
This is darker.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it is? Wow. Does it have that dye red 40 in it? If it dies, I would give it a lower rating if that was the case.
Yellow 5, yellow 6.
Yeah.
Blue 1.
Yeah, it's got some dyes in it.
No red 40.
Hold on. I'll stick with 7. I'll stick with 7 on that. Yeah, it tastes like Granny Smith, doesn't it, Greg? Granny Smith apples.
I'll give this guy's an 8.
Nice. So you would eat this over the Lucky Charms topping? Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
You can have that, sir. I'll have this one.
Okay, cool.
I like Applejack, so it doesn't have the cinnamon like it does on the other one, but I like it.
But this is for St. Patrick's Day. Probably, right, girl? St. Patrick's type thing.
So I'm without the mount.
Yeah.
Without the
without
mount.
milk? Without milk? Okay.
A little bit better.
Mmm. Applejack is good. And 3 grams of fiber, you can't go wrong, guys. So is that a limited edition, or would that be around a long time? Wow.
No, it's not a limited edition.
So this will be around for good.
Yeah, probably.
Wow. Oh. Mm.
I've never seen it until I went to Big Lots. I got this at Big Lots. It was only $3.49.
Wow.
So I looked at it. I was like, oh, that looks pretty cool.
And to all the people of Big Lots, I would like to have a Big Lots in Waterville.
Yeah.
That would be amazing dream.
Yeah.
We replaced Dollar General. I mean, go big. I want Big Lots over there.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah. So Chris is almost finished. Yeah. Ooh, Kit Kat. What?
Kit Kat wants to show.
Kit Kat's scared.
Is he sick?
No, why?
Oh, he was like, yeah. Maybe he ate too fast, Greg.
Kit Kat, are you alright, Bubba? Bubba Kit Kat? Bubba Kit Kat?
He limped a little bit, yeah.
Bubba Kit Kat, you okay?
Okay.
Bubba Kit Kat? Bubba Kit Kat?
Sometimes he eats too fast, guys. You can stop doing that.
Want to come up here? Come see Daddy? Want to come see Papa? Come see Daddy? Can I see you?
Oh, it's green apple flavor, guys. That's what it is.
Hey, whoa!
Whoa! You don't want to be held, guys. You don't like the camera.
Wow!
You don't like the video. Because you don't want to be on the video. We can make him a star.
Wow. Anyway, guys, please subscribe to my what?
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel, me and Chris's, if you would like to see this guy from now on. No, just actually, check out his channel.
No,
check out his channel, Chris's Corner with a K. Subscribe to his channel as well. If you want a funny channel, and he only uploads like once a year, though. He only uploads once a year. No, he doesn't upload that much.
Oh, I watched too much Cobra Kai. Oh,
anyway, guys, subscribe to our channel, Maine's Food Reviews, for more additional content. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button, and remember, Jesus Christ loves you, and we do too.
Whoa!
Have a good day, guys.
Peace out.
Good day, guys. God bless.